Scheming, demystified, unraveling its meaning. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases. Specifically, we're going to discuss the term scheming. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means, how to use it in sentences, and much more. First, let's understand what scheming means. Scheming is derived from the word scheme, which can mean a plan, design, or program of action. When you add ing to it, the word takes on a verb form. As an adjective, scheming describes someone who is crafty, cunning, or devious in planning something, often with dishonest intent. For example, the scheming villain plotted to steal the treasure. She had a scheming look in her eyes when she spoke about her plans. Understanding synonyms can be a great way to grasp the essence of scheming. Some synonyms include crafty, cunning, devious, sly. Each of these words carries a similar meaning but may have different connotations depending on the context. To better understand scheming, let's see it in action. 1. The detective was always one step ahead of the scheming criminal. 2. He spent hours scheming how to get back at his rival. 3. She was wary of her colleague's scheming ways. When learning, it's essential to be aware of common mistakes. One such mistake is confusing scheming with positive planning. While both involve making plans, scheming often implies deceit or underhanded motives. For instance, incorrect. She was scheming her surprise birthday party for her friend. Correct. She was planning her surprise birthday party for her friend. There you have it. You're now well versed in the term scheming. Remember, it's all about the context and the intent behind the plan. We hope this video shed light on this intriguing word. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, happy language learning.